Allah, who is the most bountiful, the one who created everything. First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to introduce myself. My name is العارفین, student of class 8 from Ghazali Schools and Colleges, Jung. To speak on topic, trying is better than crying. Struggle and facing the difficulties and hurdles is a part of our life. Almost all of us facing unexpected challenges in different fields of our life. Some of us become hopeless, they become overwhelmed, and some of us face the challenges with hope, with courage, and bravely defeat the hurdles. Those lion-hearted people among us who face the challenges with hope, with courage, and with the help of deep faith in Allah are the people, they are the right to be called successful. I was the ocean that you wanted the river. I was the moon that you chased the star. Mr. President, as a children, we know that the life is full of ups and downs. Throughout our life, we will face many disappointments to win over us. Most of the time, thinking and crying over failure will not offer us any solution. But sometimes elevates the original issues, making it more difficult. To resolve it, for example, an unexpected low score in an examination is just a reminder that you should work harder next time. It's just an opportunity given by God to show to the world that you are up for it. Face it with your heads up, try harder, and prove to the world that you are a champion. Whereas if you start thinking about it, it will affect your confidence, making God. Try and try again until you succeed is a very common quotation. This proverb explained that while many people fail to success in life, no one is a failure as long as they keep trying. The lesson we learn from our failure will help us to do better or even succeed in later attempts. If we fail one time, we should not be disheartened. We should try again and again like the spider often grows and succeeds. Then the lesson we learned that struggling again and again is not an ignominy, it is a credit. So we should not look to those people who have failed in life. We should look to the successful people. We should become a brave man who work even in adverse circumstances and take the nation to the heights of glory. Mr. President, man needs his difficult